Buenos días, gusano de mierda.
Stay back, these fumes are toxic and they can cause brain damage. You have to stay away today, you don't have an adflo.
Just because I'm a redheaded stepchild doesn't mean I have to miss out. Mummy?
You're Mummy's little Einstein, aren't you?
I was tug of war state champion, you know. Just like my father, but nothing through. Maybe that's why he come an alcoholic. You must be psychic.
Told you to stay out.
Thank God I played centre half forward on the bench last year. Now just one more thing. Or maybe two. I have to move that mud like this one day. Now it's time to build this sucker. That'll suck a golf ball through a garden hose. Make it stop! Time to chew ass and kick bubblegum, but I'm all out of ass.
Yeah, I'm feeling tipsy. I'm on the move. We're getting frisky. We're in the groove. People are smiling, and the music is on.
Fuck me swinging, prepared to be mayonnaise.
The